Here we go.
Hi, my name is Patrick. Oh my god, I'm engaged. Here featuring Coma. We're sending my wig today.
To the what?
I'm the drag queen makeup artist. Yeah.
Drag queen makeup art.
Yes,
Yeah, here we go.
And a wig.
This is how we do drag makeup down here at the beach in Galveston.
As opposed to
We have seaweed and mud to cover up everything.
It's good for the skin.
Kamal's giving himself a facial. Same difference. Kamal doesn't understand. That's funny.
I'm trying to get it for her. That's way up. There's a lot of the sand.
It's raining seaweed. Oh!
Everybody. Everyone's supposed to baptize inside the gay waters.
Yes.
That's what we do with the sand. Sand is like lubricant. This is gay baptism. This is baby.
The power of
I purify you.
the power of Galveston compels you.
There's no oil in this water. There's no oil in this water.
Yeah, oil-free water.
I purify you.
There's no oil in this water, but there's seaweed.
And drugs.
Really? Where? I haven't found any.
There's crack right here.
Is that what that sand is? The power of Galveston compels you.
How do you put? Listen to her joke.
What? You got a joke?
How do you
stop an oil well from putting
How do you stop the oil? Well, you plug it on, motherfucker.
You put a ring around it?
Wait.
Okay, say it
I
again.
got another one.
Okay.
Scientists have discovered the car that runs on water. However, you have to get the water from the Gulf of Mexico.
No, because look.
Was that a joke?
I don't get it.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah, water
sure.
separates. You know, yeah, because then you get like a tank that goes, that shoots out water so it separates from the oil and oil and something to plug it in.
Something to plug what in? Who?
You need to separate because oil and water separate. So then you get a tank that shoots out water that enough to like to turn away from the oil. So
Is that what the Mexicans are doing?
Yes. That's how they get in here.
Is he still with John?
Yeah.
They're getting dead.
John's here?
Hunter!
Hunter is trying to get some debt, but he can't. Because the guy doesn't have a room, he doesn't have money or a job.
Oh,
So
really?
they're just talking about how it's just a birth of
So who doesn't have money or a job or anything?
I don't have money or a job.
I don't, but...
No, we got job money.
Where?
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, look at that shit. He loves the sky. Up and down, all around. Up and down, all around. Even John loves the sky.
Right?
John loves the sky.
I was trying to relax over here.
I think so.
There's our seaweed. Our lovely Galveston seaweed coming to greet us.
We're taking shit then.
No, the seaweed.
Can you delete that part?
Delete the part about the seaweed?
No, but we need to edit this about.
I ain't editing nothing.
Why is putting everything on Facebook?
Not everything.
I'm putting everything on Facebook.
I'm not going to put it on.
No, my boyfriend can't be... Oh, I should be...
He's not our friend.
Who?
He's not our friend.
Okay, come on.
I'm not everybody's friend.
Yes, you are.
Okay, come on.
I'm doing you as we speak.
No, but wait. Like, no, you're right. If you put it on yours, don't put it on mine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, whatever.
Okay. Just don't put it on my wall.
Okay.
Put it on
Okay.
her wall like 3 times. And then see.
I'll put it on Kamal's wall and I'll tag you in it.
Okay.
Alright.
Kamal.
Wait, you need more!
Look at this.
Oh, you don't have enough!
Dirty Galveston water.
No, he thinks he has pimples. He's trying to...
He tried. Yeah, Kamal's exfoliating. Later or earlier? No tickling.
You need to work in a school where they have like that. Hey.
Yeah.
You don't need a
Ah, I'm being sucked in. I'm being sucked in by the Thomas. Oh, now you're going to rinse off?
He's blacker than what he was.
He is. He looks like a mud monster. Oh my god. What are we talking about? No, aside from the usual.
Okay, well then we're talking about the rainbow.
Yeah. Speaking of...
The sun's going down.
No more sun. We're gonna have to pack up soon because we haven't been here very long because we got here late. Okay. Goodbye, sun. Not yet. No. Come on, say bye, son.
So
Goodbye.
exfoliated and
Goodbye.